Hi friends, today I will do a comparison of Lenovo Legion Y70 versus Moto X30 Pro. So let's see the detailed specs. Let's discuss about camera. Let's start with Lenovo Y70. Its primary camera है 50 megapixel aperture 1.9, 13 megapixel aperture 2.2 of ultra wide, depth camera of 2 megapixel aperture 2.4 और LED flash. Let's talk about Motorola Moto X30 Pro. Its primary camera है 200 megapixel aperture 2.0, ultra wide 50 megapixel aperture 2.2 और telephoto of 12 megapixel aperture 1.6 और LED flash. Let's talk about both the phone price. Lenovo Y70 come around $35,000 of $437 of 8GB RAM और Moto X30 Pro come around $44,000 of $550 of 8GB RAM और 128GB internal storage.